Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use buttons to answer questions with a microbit. So in other videos, I've showed you in some other projects how you can use the ask and wait block to check for an answer and whatnot. But instead, we're going to actually use the microbit to have the user answer our question. So when we press the green flag, let's zoom in, we're going to ask our question. And we can make the question like, the planet Earth has 2 moons. Is that fact true? And we want to let the user know what button we think true should be, or false. And we want to let them know what button the false answer should be. So if the user thinks the planet Earth has 2 moons, they'd press the A button for true and B for false. Okay, so now let's actually add in the code to detect if we have pressed a button on the microbit. So we're going to say wait until we press the microbit button, and then we're going to run our conditional to make it do something depending on what the answer is. So we need to put a block inside of here. So the first one is wait until any button is pressed. Doesn't matter if they press A or B. But if they press A, which in this case was true, we're going to give an answer. And the answer could be something like, nope, the planet Earth has 1 moon. And we can say that for 2 seconds. Otherwise, if they press B, then we can say, like, you are correct. Yay! Excited. Cool? So let's actually test this out and see how this works. Okay, so I press the green flag, ask the question. Now if I press A, it says, nope, the planet Earth has 1 moon. If I press the green flag and I press B, then it says, you are correct. Cool, huh? All right, so it works exactly the way that I wanted it to. So if you want to create a guessing game in one of your projects, use code like this, and you can make a bunch of different questions in here by keep adding this after it. So then you can ask your next question right here, which of course is not true. It's totally false. Anyways, okay, so experiment with this, have some fun, test out these different microbit blocks, and create some games for your projects. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.